we have started the part 2 of arith, numbers up to 100. So we'll continue with the same chapter. This is the next topic. So the next topic is the number names, which is page number 13. So if you open the book, you will see page 13, some names of the numbers has been written like this. Okay, so I'll show you here in the book itself number names, and 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, and 51, the 50s counting in tens I have written here on the board. So we'll do this one now, and the rest 61, 71, 81 and 91 you do it at home. It's very easy. Now 51, so the names of these numbers we have to represent, convert it in the, write it in the form of number. 51, 1 has been done in the book. 5, 1 is 51. It's very easy. 52, 5, 2. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. So that's why we call it 50s. Okay. So 53, 54. So 5, 4. 55, 5 and 5. 56. 5 and 6. 57, so 5 and 7. 58, 5 and 8. So I have written up to 8 only, since there is no space here. So there is up to 60. Okay, so 59, 5, 9, 60, 6, 0. So in the same way you complete this page number 13. Okay. Now let's go to the page number 14. So turn the page around and we have page number 14. So page number 14 is fill in the boxes. Here I have written on the board. So what you are supposed to do here the names of this number is given, we write the number. Here the numbers are given, we are going to break this in tens and then we are going to write. 1 is done for you. So 6, 5, 65. So this is tens, means 60s, this is ones. Okay, so 6 tens and 5 ones. So in the same way you are going to do it. 97, 9, 7, 97. So 9 is in the tens place. So 9 tens, 7 ones. 8, 6, 86. 8 tens makes 80 and 6 ones. All together 86. 32. So 3 tens and 2 ones makes 32. So in the same way, 1 I have done for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next page, you see, in the same page, just down here you will see few more are there. And match the following. 1 has been done for you. So 7 tens and 6 ones. The numbers which are broken into tenses is on the left hand side, and the numbers which are added will be on the right hand side. You have to find the correct one and you have to match here this number. Okay, see here 68, 76, 85, 59 and 92. So 7 tens means 70, 6 ones all together 76. So here is 76, you have to match it. And again 76 is here written in the numbers, here written in the name. 7 tens 70, 6 ones 6. Okay, you match the number here first and then match on the other side again. Okay, now page number 15. So I have made a box here. See here, I'll show you here in the book, page number 15. How many? Count and fill in the boxes, then add it. So we have to count it, fill in the box. Here also one box is there, here also another box is there. You have to fill it this box first and then we have to add it. Okay, let's do the first one. See the number of eggs, the tray. Here, how many tray we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tray. And each tray, how many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 eggs in one tray. So how many trays we have? 7 trays. See here, 7 trays of 10 eggs each, and 7 loose one. So loose one, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 loose. So 7 tens makes 70, and then 7 tens make 70, and then 7 loose one. So we have 7 loose one. So you have to write it, add it this one first. So 70 plus 7, and then next this numbers we have to put it in the box which is given on the right hand side. Okay, this is tens place, this is ones place. Okay, so you can represent the tens like this or the other way, this way. So 7 tens. Okay, 7 tens is 70, right? 7 0 is 70, and then 7 ones, 7 ones. So write the number in this way, and then you have to add it. Okay, 7 and 0, if we add it, we get 7. And for this 7, we don't have any number to add it, so we have to break it down here, and then we have 77. So in the same way, the next questions 1, 2, 3, 4, you do it. Now if you open the page number 17 here, see in the book also numbers before, after and between. So I have written here some of the questions. Let's do it this one. Write the numbers before, after and between. So this is before, and this is after. So we need to fill the numbers which comes before here and after. So before 44, what comes here? 43, 4, 3. And after 44, what number comes? 45, 4, 5. So we have 43, 44, 45 in a sequence. So in this way you fill the rest of these numbers here. Do it at home. And if you the next one is write the numbers in between. So this is another question. So we have 52 and the middle box is empty, and the next we have 54. So what will come here? 52, 53 and 54. So 53. So we have 52, 53 and 55. So in the same way, write the numbers in between. So in between 39 and 41, what number is there? You have to write it. In between 41 and 43, what number is there? You fill this one. Okay, it's very easy. Now if you look at the next question, comparing numbers, ring the bigger one. So I have written one question here, and ring the smaller one at the bottom. I have written here. So one I have written. The rest is very easy. You practice at home. So let's start with this one. Ring the bigger number. So there is two numbers given in this box, 40 and 94. So we have to select the big one. So 94 is the bigger number, so we have to circle it, ring it like this. Okay. The next question, 29 and 88. So which one is big number? Bigger. 88 is bigger one, so we have to circle it. And the next one is ring the smaller one. So 46 and 68. So between these two numbers, we have to select the small one, not the big one. So small is 46 is smaller than the 68. So 46, circle like this. 73 and 57. So 57 is the smaller one. So we have to circle like this. So all are very easy. Just practice at home. Okay, open page number 18. See, page number 18, rearrange in decreasing order. And on the right hand side, rearrange in increasing order. Now, decreasing order means from bigger to smaller. Okay, So from this numbers we have to select the biggest one. So 29, 37, 39, 21. So 39 is the biggest number here, and the next biggest is 37, and then 29, and then 21 is the smallest number. So the biggest number will start from there and will finish with the smaller number. So decreasing means from bigger to smaller. So one I have done, the rest you do it. And on the right hand side, the next question is rearrange in increasing order. So increasing order means from smallest to biggest, or smaller to bigger. See here, 56, 83, 77, 62. Out of this we have to select the smallest one. So the smallest number is 56 here. Okay, so we write 56 here, and the next and the biggest number is 83. So 83 will come at last, right? So from 56 the next bigger number is 62, and then the next bigger number is 77, and the biggest number among all these numbers is the 83. So increasing order means will start from the smallest one and will finish with the biggest number. Decreasing means will start with the biggest number and will finish with the smallest number. So the remaining you do it at home very easy. Now see one more here, fill in the box by counting back. So this is also very easy. So counting back means you have to write the numbers in the backward. So here number A, 75 is given here, and then 74 is given. So 1, 2, 3, 3 space you have to write it here. So you have to write the numbers. I will do one for you. 75, 74, and what comes in backward is 73. So we are counting the numbers in backwards. 75, 74, 73, and then comes 2, 72, and then comes 1, 7, 1, 71. So we are counting the numbers in backward. So B, C, D given here some of the numbers, you fill it up, very easy. Now if you turn the next page, page number 19, okay, counting in jumping. Jumping means skipping the number, okay. Continue the coloring patterns, count in twos. That means we have to count in twos and we have to color it. In this questions, 1 and then comes to 2. So in 2 the already color is done here, and then we skip 3. 2, 3, 4. Then comes here 4. Color it. Now continue the coloring pattern, count in twos. So count in twos means we have to count 2, 2 like we count in tens, na? And then we have to color it, set it. See here, 1, 2. So we have counted in 2, then you set it like this, color it. You have to count 2 digits and then you have to color it. 3, 4. Then you set it like this. It is like skipping one digit, okay? And then 5, 6. Like this. And 7, 8. So you count 2 numbers and then you color it like this. So finish this remaining by counting 2 and color it. See, if you see down here, write down the pattern. Same here, counting by skipping 2, okay, or counting by twos. Skipping 2 and are almost same with counting twos, okay. 2, after that 3, 4. After 4 we skip 1 digit, then comes 6, and then 6 we skip 1 and will come 7, okay. So fill the remaining boxes which is there in the book and continue the coloring pattern counting in 5. So here same like this. Here we count in twos, means we count 2 digits and then we color it. Here we have to count up to 5 digits. You like skipping 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you color it. And then you skip another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you color it. So it is very easy, very simple. Like we count in twos here by skipping 1 digit. We'll skip 5 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you color it. So counting in fives. Okay, we are counting 5, 5. So another 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we skip another 5 and then we color it. So you fill the remaining as an homework. Okay, it's very easy.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain.